Daily English Lesson 24. Asking for directions in the city. Today's lesson focuses on asking for directions in the city. Asking for directions is a key survival skill when traveling or living abroad. Even with maps and phones, people still ask for directions in real life. This lesson will help you ask clearly and understand answers with confidence. Let's begin with the word direction. A direction tells you how to go from one place to another. Example: she asked for directions to the station. Now let's talk about when people ask for directions. People ask for directions when they feel lost. They also ask to confirm the correct way. Asking is normal and polite. Let's begin with polite ways to start. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Excuse me, may I ask a question? These phrases politely get someone's attention. Now let's talk about the most common question. How do I get to the train station? This question is clear and natural. Let's introduce other useful question forms. Can you tell me how to get to the museum? Is there a bank near here? Which way is the nearest restroom? These questions are widely used. Let's explain near. Near means not far away. Example: the cafe is near the park. Now let's talk about landmarks. A landmark is a place that is easy to see or recognize. Example: the library is next to a famous landmark. Landmarks help people explain directions more easily. Let's introduce directional words. Left means the direction on your left side. Example: turn left at the corner. Right means the opposite side. Example: turn right after the light. Straight means not turning left or right. Example: go straight for 2 blocks. Let's explain block. A block is the distance between 2 streets. Example: walk 2 blocks. Now let's introduce more detailed direction phrases. Go straight ahead. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn right at the corner. Cross the street. These phrases often appear together. Let's explain traffic light. A traffic light controls cars and people at crossings. Example: wait at the traffic light. Now let's talk about distance words. Far means a long distance. Example: it's not far. Close means a short distance. Example: it's very close. Let's explain around the corner. Around the corner means very nearby, but not visible yet. Example: the shop is around the corner. Now let's look at a short dialogue. Dialogue 1: Simple directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the post office? Go straight and turn left at the 2nd street. Thank you. You're welcome. Now let's talk about asking follow-up questions. Is it far from here? How long does it take to walk? Should I take a bus? These questions help you choose the best way. Let's explain, how long does it take? This asks about time. Example, how long does it take to get there? Now let's talk about transportation directions. Take bus number 10. Get off at the next stop. Take the subway for 2 stops. Let's explain, get off. Get off means to leave a bus or train. Example, get off at Central Station. Now let's talk about subway language. A subway is an underground train system. Example, the subway is faster. Some places say metro or underground. Let's explain platform. A platform is where you wait for the train. Example, wait on platform 2. Now let's talk about understanding answers. People often speak quickly. They may use gestures to help. Watching hand movements is useful. Let's talk about common phrases people use when giving directions. It's on your left. It's across from the bank. It's next to the supermarket. Let's explain, across from. Across from means on the opposite side. Example, the school is across from the park. Let's explain, next to. Next to means very close beside. Example, the cafe is next to the bookstore. Now let's look at a longer dialogue. Dialogue 2, using landmarks. Excuse me, is there a pharmacy nearby? Yes, go straight and you'll see a big hotel. The pharmacy is next to the hotel. Great, thank you. Now let's talk about what to say if you do not understand. Sorry, could you repeat that? Could you speak more slowly? I'm not familiar with this area. These sentences help continue the conversation politely. Let's explain, repeat. Repeat means to say something again. Example, please repeat the directions. Now let's talk about confirming directions. So I turn right at the bank, correct? This shows you are checking understanding. Let's talk about asking locals versus using maps. Locals often know shortcuts. Maps give visual support. Combining both is helpful. Let's explain, shortcut. A shortcut is a faster or shorter way. Example, he showed me a shortcut. Now let's discuss safety and politeness. Ask people who look available. Avoid interrupting someone who is busy. Thank the person after they help. Let's talk about ending politely. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Now let's practice one more complete dialogue. Dialogue 3, full conversation. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure. How do I get to the city hall? Go straight, turn right at the traffic light, and walk 1 block. Is it far? No, it's very close. Thank you so much. No problem. Before we finish, let's talk about why this lesson matters. Asking for directions builds confidence quickly. It helps you move independently in new places. Now let's move to the review section. Review section. Key points from Lesson 24. Polite openings include, "Excuse me," and, "May I ask a question?" Common question forms. How do I get to the train station? Is there a restroom near here? Direction words include left, right, straight, block, corner. Landmark phrases include next to, across from, around the corner. Transportation phrases include take the bus, get off, platform. Follow-up and repair phrases help when you do not understand. Confirming directions improves accuracy and confidence.